Well, we have been asked by a user to demonstrate how you go about utilising GIS type information in gCADPlus. I'm looking here at a GIS type image file, and you may be able to see we can pan it and zoom it, and we're looking here at some boats and a marina and some roadways and housing and so on. So this particular image is in a format that's called ECW. So in order to load it, we go File and New, and we'll just choose the default template in gCADPlus, and then you go to Draw, and right down the bottom here is an option that says ECW JPEG 2000. That gives you the ability, if we look at the files of type here, we can load ECW files or JP2, JPEG 2000 files. These are commonly used in aerial photographs and others. And here's one from Vancouver. Now, it's 3 gigabytes in size. That is a phenomenally big drawing. And what I want to demonstrate is the value of using these types of files, because I hope you'll see in a moment when I click Option Open that it'll load really, really quickly. So let's do it. We select it and open it. And there we are. We can zoom in on that same area, and I hope you can see that the resolution, of course, is dependent on the image itself, but we can clearly see vegetation, roadways and so on. So we could use part of this as a map on which to create base maps. So I hope you can see that massive files such as this can load very, very quickly indeed in gCADPlus.